Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Kalia filling in for Daedrian. Vybz Kartel makes triumphant return to the UK after 2 decades, and Drake declares himself a Gaza baby. Not a bird, not a plane, but the Comet touched down in the UK over the weekend, igniting the crowd at Wireless Festival's highly anticipated finale on Sunday. The DJ headlined the final night of the festival alongside Drake and Burna Boy. The 20th anniversary event marked a triumphant return for the world boss.
First time in 20 years.
In one of the night's most viral moments, Drake hailed Vybz Kartel, showing his respect and admiration for the DJ as he made his entrance to the stage with his charting hit single, Fever. Following the festival, the Canadian rapper took to his Instagram declaring himself as a product of the Gaza fraternity, saying, "This still doesn't feel real. World Boss and me, aka Baby Gaza on stage, it's a lifestyle moment." The festival also marked Drake's first UK performance in 6 years as he headlined the 3-day festival event. The festival also saw performances from the Queen of Dancehall Spice, the Unruly Boss Popcorn, and Massacre. Sun, fun, and family vibes. Reggae Sumfest Family Fun Day took over Montego Bay. Scores of patrons out for the event in the second city as the festival kickstarts its week-long activities. From clowns and dance offs to games and music cartoon characters, the atmosphere was like a kid let loose in a candy store.
The kids them is great, and they enjoy themselves to the fullest.
Edutainment also part of the day's activities, courtesy of Esirom.
We're breaking it down to the very basics, not just for the children, but as I said, the adults also don't know a lot of information. But I've been very impressed when we play the games with them. We say, which one you think take longer to break down? You know, the banana peel or the plastic bottle? They understand it and they put the right answers. So honestly, the children have been performing better than the adults, we find.
One patron, attending for the 3rd time, told E-Prime the entire family came out for the festivities.
Sunday's our family day and the kids are out. My daughter, my 2 nephews, and my nephew baby mother, and we're having a lot of fun here.
Patrons also were treated to free medical checks courtesy of Hospitan. Kimisha Salabi is the commercial and marketing representative.
Our brand is about families and community. So is Reggae Sumfest with this initiative in incorporating the families in this initiative and this event.
Reggae Sumfest pre-events continues this evening with the free street dance, so make sure to set on a rollout. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Kalia. Thank you for watching.